Ball goes to number 24 of Montanilla by Walton. Rebound by Talia again. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 again. Again, ball fires the three. Miss. There's number 3. 4-point lead for the team of Walton. There's 18 seconds. Block shot. 8 seconds. 18.
What's up mga ka-thumbs up? Ayan, dito tayo ngayon. Balik tayo dito sa ating ng vlog. Liga serye naman tayo at ang hahawakan naman natin ngayon ay walk-in. So ito yung team na mga pay-to-play. So, ang gagawin natin kapag pay-to-play, tayo talaga mag-hawa kasi kawawa naman sila, wala silang coach. Ayun lang guys, so tingnan natin kung ano magiging resulta ng laban natin ngayon. Hey, special shoutout!
Shoutout sa mga taga San Jose!
Hey! Ayan guys, 5, 6, 7. Sino dito yung ano, yung mga bago lang, mga ano lang, yung pa lang mag-ano sa ano tayo dito ha. Pagdating ko sa mga state wala akong paborito dito kasi lalo na hindi ko kayo kilala. Yung iba dito, kung nakita ko na maganda yung gawin nyo, gagawin natin, mapaplik nyo. Pero kung ano off talaga kayo, tulad yan, third quarter, fourth quarter, at yung ano doon, titignan natin kung sino yung makakatulog doon sa game na yun, okay? Tapos makinig lang kayo kung ano sasabihin. Manalo, at saka dito guys, hindi natin dito habol ng manalo. Yung habol natin dito is experience at the same time, parang tryout nyo na rin. Yung jersey niya pala guys, sa susunod na lang na game, hindi na nakawin ngayon eh. Basta sa ngayon, focus tayo sa game. Mananalo tayo. Isang kayo sa kanila kasi, siyempre, ngayon na kayo magkakasama. Pangalawa, sila matagal na magkakasama. Tapos, kayo naman, ngayon pa lang magkakaroon ng experience. Yun na naman guys. Hindi kasi tayo magkakasama. Pag sinabi ko may MMW 313, tawag tayo. Okay? Sige. W, okay, 3, 1, 2, 3. Au! Naiyak ka, naiyak. Mahiyain.
Rep! Redos na raw! Redos na!
Change 5, di ba? Apo tayo. Center position. Ikaw, tsaka ikaw. Tama, ikaw o ikaw. Dito na kayo. Tayo tatlo, dalawa, ano. Kahit sino.
Nagbago ko na ng profile eh. Kaya hindi ka nakiyahan eh.
Kanina? Pag lumagpas, ang gagawin? Man-to-man. Man-to-man tayo. Okay? Man-to-man lahat tayo. Ha?
Ay.
Ako ulitin ko ha. Tutuwan muna tayo. Tutuwan. Kapag nandito yung bola, double team. Pag pinasabihan, double team pa rin. Tapos yung dalawa laging nasa likod. Titignan nyo kung sino yung papasahan. Ulit tayo? Enjoy the game boys. Magkakalimutan na, pag nakalagpas doon, man-to-man na tayo. Okay, tara.
Accessories mo, Pogi.
Taka, walk-in. Takin.
Na-adjust yan?
Early turnover for jersey number 11. Out of bounds, standing on the line. There is jersey number 10. Kick out pass on jersey number 11 and the jumper is good. Early 2 points on jersey number 11 and a good defense. Pass to Infante. The lay is good. 4-0 run ng ating talaan. There's jersey number 9 set to play. The shot clock is 12 seconds. De Vera atake. There's two whistle. Foul jersey number 4. First personal, first rebound.
Tangina niyan, di ko alam. Dinala ko pala yung ano.
The first throw is good.
Tangina niya, binaba ko yung... Tumawag, busy nga ako. Wala pala timer dito.
Yung mga inside po, kayo po ang nakatak. Still, antak po tayo sa mga naka-walk-in. 2 out of 2. There's jersey number 11, pass to Rain. There's Rain. Sets a play, finding his teammates. Pass to jersey number 11. The shot clock is 13. Extra pass sa ilalim to number 1. Foul and one. Foul on jersey number 11, pushing foul, first personal.
Babalik pa ako?
First team foul.
Ha?
Bonus round jersey number 1.
Okay na sa kanila eh? Okay na kita ito, no? Di pa nakikita eh.
Bonus round is good. Ball stolen by Raymond Infante. Infante pasa sa ilalim kay number 4. Find his limits. Infante, jumper for 2, miss. 15 on the shot clock. And the ball stolen. Pass jersey number 17 to number 9, miss. Ball goes to number 29. Pass to number 11. Back to number 29. And the jumper miss. 12 on the shot clock. The putback is good.
Go. Tight yung again.
Ball goes to the Vera. Pasa sa ilalim. Number 17. Pass to number 4. Fontanilla. The jumper miss. Rebound goes to number 11. At the number 1. Pass to Infante. And a miscommunication. Turnover again. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 1. First personal, second team foul. There's jersey number 17, the jumper, miss. Rebound goes to Raymond Infante. Infante drives, left-handed play, miss. Number 29 for the putback. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 17. 18. First personal on jersey number 18 and the second team foul. The first throw is good.
Really, di ba nakikita yan? Wala may timer? Ba't sabi niya yan?
Timeout. Eastside. Official scoring is 2-11. 9-point lead.
Uwi ako.
Ano yan ito, sir? Ano na ito ipakita?
Uwi ako.
Bakit?
Wala pala timer ni sabi ni Sir Sebastian, meron pala yan. Scorer.
Kailangan muna natin yan, sir.
Okay.
Ano ko muna ito?
That's two players. 6 minutes and 6
Sabi mo meron
seconds
ano?
remaining.
Scorer! Eh, sabi mo, buzzer lang ang problema.
6 minutes and 6 seconds remaining.
Nababa ko nga eh.
There's jersey number 24, Fontanilla. Stolen. Number 1 open shot. Is good. The lead up to 11. There's jersey number 17. Stepping on the line, same ball possession. 18 on the shot clock.
Ilang game pa tayo? Uwi ako. Uwi ako.
18 on the shot clock. Ball stolen. At ang busy number 29. Kalma lang, players. Baka kayo eh. Dromekta. Number 4, the ladies. Rebound goes to jersey number 4. There is jersey number 1. Jersey number 1, pass to number 89, jumper is good. Players ready for change time. Ito na si number 0 Infante. Again, rebound number 1 sa mag-isay. Pass to number 11, teardrop miss. Change by players. Players change by. Takin po ang east side. Walk-in, untak po tayo ng jersey. Boom goes to number 13, Nable. And there's number 02, sets up the key. Back to Vera. T-pass, same ball, 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. There's number 13, Buena. Pass number 2, 5 on the shot clock. 2 on the shot clock. The jumper is good. There's Rain Infante, nagmamadali. Naka-turbo. And there's a blocking foul on jersey number 30, first personal. $16 on the shot clock. Again, players 15 to shoot. There's jersey number 1 sa pag-isay to Infante, fakes. And jumper number 2, miss again. And si number 2, Asuncion. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on jersey number 25.
Gusto mo po yung scoreboard? Huwag na muna masalita si Ninyo, ibigay mo na muna ito sa kanya.
Napipipindot dun eh. Pipindot eh. Para kung... Para ano?
Thank you na. Tapos ipapapa na lang ko.
Ano ito? Papa na sa set.
2 points kanina. Sino ko 2 points?
Ball goes number 2, Asuncion. Cross-court pass, ball stolen sa pag-isay. And a dominant violation. Black foul, there's number 85, second personal.
Warning.
And a warning for penalty. Players, warning for penalty ang walk-in. Ayan na, penalty na kayo.
Sino kaninang foul?
Foul jersey number 1 sa pag-isay. Second personal.
Penalty. Penalty ba?
Ano ba ang siko? 12 on the shot clock. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Then shoot. Dipera, penalty lagi. Kuhan Dipera first place good. Official scoring 6-17 on second kalamangan. There's Infante, crossover move, pasa sa ilalim. Block shot. Dipera has the ball. And a cross-court pass. Ball stolen. Jersey number 1 sa pag-isay. Behind the back move, and there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 13. First personal.
Warning.
Warning for penalty.
Sino ko siya? Nakakay ko rin sa dito.
Penalty po, penalty.
Penalty situation.
Ano na yun?
25 po.
25 na.
Third na.
25, that's your third personal foul.
Hindi mo yung foul.
Official score 77. 10-point lead by Walton. And a whistle is called for number 02.
Penalty.
Penalty. Number 02. That's your first personal foul penalty. And it's a 1 out of 2. Score is 18-7. Eastside ball. 0-2. Big ball violation. Oh, number 1 is foul. And it's a penalty. Number 1, that's your
Third na po.
number 1, that's your third personal foul penalty.
First quarter pa rin. Wala po pa. Pumasok ako.
And that's 1 free throw.
Sino yun?
Number 11.
Isa lang na-score. Wala.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points. Official score is 20-8. 12-point lead by 1 in. The foul is called for jersey number 11.
First penalty.
Number 11, that's your first personal foul penalty.
So ano ako ng ano lang. Ganto lang magano. Wala nang play-by-play.
First row, no good.
Ano Tatay Diggs?
Kumuha po ng scoreboard.
Last row basket. Seconds remaining. Backboard violation. Miscommunication. 5 seconds. And at the end of our first quarter, score is 29. 11 points lead by Walton.
Ni-stop ba ito? Ni-stop ba? Tuloy-tuloy lang?
Oh, stop na.
Ha?
Stop na.
Tuloy-tuloy, sabay stop yun. Tuloy lang.
Timer pa. Walang pahinga. Bawal na pahinga.
And let's start our second quarter. Walton rolls half session here. But there's a whistle.
Number 13.
Foul by number 30. That is third personal foul. First team foul. Rebound for number 29. For number 11 Eastside. $19 on the shot clock. Ball stolen. It's a layup missed. Stolen by him again. The second chance. 2 points now.
Sino yun? 30? Ano zero? Si Infante.
Number 11. 2 points. Tayo? No good.
Ito. Number ano to?
20 on the shot clock. Rebound by Tayo again. 12 seconds. Reverse. No good. Rebound by number 29. And that's 2 points for Team Walker.
Sino yun? Ay, ulit.
Third quarter.
Reverse is good. Hoping the score now is 26-11. Timeout is called now here for Eastside. Score is 26-11. 15 points lead by Team Walker.
Second na to.
Back to Logan. Time remaining in our second quarter, it's 7 minutes and 37 seconds. Official score is 26-11. Mine's number 29. Rebound by number 4, but stolen by Talio again, no good. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Impanda no good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 again, was ball shot. Winning on the shot clock. Stolen by number 29. Number 4. Oh good, rebound by Impanda. 2 points.
Tama, 28-11.
That's a turnover. Impanda. Muntik pa yun. Rebound by number 4. By number 30, 2 points.
13-28. Tama.
Sino yung nag-score?
Ball stolen.
30 din sa kabila.
And that's a turnover here for Eastside. Walking will have the letter. Number 29. Rebound by number 11. Number 4. Off the glass. 2 points.
15 na sila.
Score now is 28-15. 13 points lead by Walton. Two points. Exchange 5.
Ito referee nag-change siya. Kaya nga kasi mahal yun eh. Number 4.
Number 02. Binasa sa number 11. Look. Ayaw ko na.
Ayaw ko na.
$14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by number 11. Number 4. Rebound by number 4. And there is a whistle. Foul committed by number 4.
4 na ano. 7.
Number 4, that's your second personal foul.
Team foul.
First team foul. First row basket. Last round again. Sumagay side. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by number 4 Fontanilla. And that's your first personal foul, second team foul. 20 in the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 2 points.
Sino yung coach?
Number 17 for 3. Short. Official score now is 32-18. Sumagay side. Hines number 25 down below. No good. Number 25 again. 10 to shoot. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 again, Mamadale. Short. Sumagay side. 2 points. Coast to coast. Wala na siyang kampi. Number 02. Stolen by Sumagay side now. Sumagay side na naman. Uy, wala ulit siyang kampi. Ayan na, meron na.
Apat na kapi niya eh. Kaya alam ko matakaan.
37 na sila.
Apat ang kampi. Hindi mo matakaan.
Sumagay sa'yo na naman. May kampi na kaya siya. Meron na. 2 points ulit. Hindi ba nakaka-score pag may kampi?
Gag.
Number 4 for 3. Number 4. Finds number 25. Number 25. Too strong. Rebound by number 29. Number 29 using sight. Wala pa rin. And that's it. That's 2 points for number 29. Time remaining is now 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 17 for 3. Rebound by number 11, using his body and muscle, 2 points.
Yatang na yatang yun ah.
Number 6. Ice number 4. Number 4 for Green. No good. Number 4 inside on the lane is Vice number 11. Stolen by number 25. Sumagay side for Green. No good. Number 02 here. But stolen by number 29, number Bowen. Number 29, no good. Sumagay side now, 2 points.
Wala na kayong
Malapitin
timeout.
yung gabi nyo dito.
Lapit kayo dito pagka time out para
Wala
makikita
na
ka.
timeout. Wala na kayong timeout. Wala na kayong timeout. Wala na kayong
Dito
timeout.
kasi nag-ano sa timeouts.
Number 02, foul.
Ano yun?
Second.
That's your second personal foul,
Wala
third
na
team
kayong timeout.
foul.
Nagamit na nila. 23-42.
Official score now is 42-23. Time remaining is 30 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. Number 29, Fake, no good. Number 4, Ice number 2, 2 points. Time remaining 15 seconds. Shot clock off. Sumagay side. Sa kanya daw ang last shot.
5.
5 to shoot.
3.
Number 4.
Bakaw.
Sa'yo, sir. Saan sa'yo?
Yan.
Ito.
Official score now is 42-25.
Ay, bumatay na itong mga ito.
tinatanggal pala para mamatay.
Patayin ko ba?
Hello.
Ay, tuloy-tuloy lang ata. Ang kalmado eh. Ay guys, tignan nyo yung guys yung ano guys. Oo guys. Tignan nyo guys yung part nila dito guys. Parang full bleacher. Diba? Ganda ng ganito.
Okay, back to the ball game for our third period.
Nakakatakot yung relasyon mo. Asan yung sa'yo? Sa akin.
Ano yan? Million yan.
Ball possession goes to left side. East side, brother. Ball goes to number 20, Buena. Ito na si Buena, ang bilis na kwamadali. Nakalipan Infante for the rebound. Nakaiwan sa tatlo. Atake! Miss! Number 0 to Asuncion. Ito na si number 2. Wagga. Ball stolen between si number 11. Ito na si Tanyo. Atake. Taas si Sini. Miss! Buena as the rebound. That's jersey number 9. Ito na. Last sa ilalim. Open shot. 2 points.
42-27.
Official score is 42-27. Ball stolen by jersey number 50, Buena. And there's number 13. Goes to close play, 2 points. Ball goes to number 29 for the open shot. What a play. Ball goes to ball stolen. Ito na si Infante Atake. Lagi. There's Asuncion Bumanga. There's a foul on jersey number 25.
Sino yun? 25 na. Fourth na kami.
Substitution.
Ay, third. Pwede na pala. Pasok na. Third.
Fourth na
Pwede
yun.
na pala.
Fourth first.
Fourth na yan.
Jersey number 25. Fourth personal. Warning for foul down. Ito na si Asuncion. Natatigan ng bola. And out down. Same ball possession.
Makuha na yung power. Yung pinakamasakit na injury. Makuha na yung power.
Inbound play. Goes to jersey number 13. The shot clock is 18 seconds. Good back this. Rebound by Raiden Infante ng pamadali. Passing sleep.
Ano yan?
Technical ball on jersey number 6.
Din.
Technical. Dark side.
Hindi. Okay.
Ay,
Ano yung second emotion?
ano ka?
Technical throw para kay jersey number 2 Asuncion.
20 wala. Ba? Ano? Ah, pwede na. Saba? Ano?
Subdivision. Pasok sa gagalog.
Ayun na ulit sa Magaysay.
Ito na. Ang coast-to-coast player. There's jersey number 29, that's jersey number 11. And then subdivision number 11, nakawala. Easy off, miss. At si number 4, Fontanilla, 2-on-1 situation. The Lays Tagid, rebound sa Magaysay. Stolen by number 9, the Lays View. The lead down to 12, 32-44. Oh, marami may violation. Turnover.
Tapos,
Subdivision. Ball stolen by jersey number 4. Of the last game. Ayun lang. Foul on jersey number 4, Fontanilla.
Ay, si...
ilan yan?
Ay, sino ba? Ay, fourth. Second.
Second.
Personal.
Warning or penalty? Ay, simula lang po.
First Sita. Infante Fires. Smith.
Oo nga, simula lang pala ito dyan.
Out of bounds. Inbound play. Pass jersey number 9. Umikot. Passes teammate, jersey number 4, complete, so wala. And the jumper is good. Jersey number 4, Pontanilla.
Ano lang? Apat.
Ball goes number 11, Tayo.
Ano lang? 30 po.
Pass to the corner. Sumagay side, drives, pass to number 11, please. Off the glass for 2. There is jersey number 30, Buena, number 1 ka. Pure draw miss, number 29, for the rebound. There is jersey number 11, privacy needs. Ball goes to Infante.
Backward.
Backward violation, turnover. Subdivision. Ball goes number 4, but turnover. Here's number 11 again. Subdivision. Ball goes number 29, jumper miss. Rebound sa pag-inside for the pullback block shot. Bola ka boy. Aray mo. Ang bounce. Good. Ball goes number 1. Kailangan sa pag-inside again. Side split mo. Reverse play miss. This number 30, Buena. Crossover move. Pass to Pontanilla. Fires the 3. Miss. Pushing down. Here's number 30, Buena.
30. First, second.
Sub.
Subdivision. Here's jersey number 11, Tayo. Iwan ang dalawa. Pass is teammate.
Oh, yung money.
Yeah, jersey number 11. Iwan naman ang dalawa. Side to move. Quick drop. Block shot. Ball goes on the floor. Pontanilla. Open the Infante number 9. 2 points.
Papuno lang.
The lead down to 10. Players, the lead down to 10. There's a bagay side. Solo mode again. Eto na. Kanya na naman. Miss. Ball solely number 17. And subdivision. Jersey number 30 for the pullback, and there's a foul. Subdivision. Foul commit by jersey number.
Italyo yan.
Jersey number 11, Tayo.
Second.
Second personal, second team down.
3 minutes 50.
3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for our third period. First race game, jersey number 13, Tayo. The second throw is negative. There is Tayo setting a play. Isolation move. And fires. Miss. Rebound number 9. There's jersey number 9. Good defense, right run, jersey number 6. Pass to Rivera. Atake. Pass is teammate. And miscommunication. Turnover. Official score is 37-46. There's jersey number 6, Tayo. Finds teammate. Pass to the corner. And on the shot block. Field draw miss. There's foul, jersey number 4. The rest.
4 ng,
Third personal, jersey number 4. Also third team foul. Ball goes number 4, Pontanilla. Traffic violation. Ganda na idol. Traffic defense ng mga walking players. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. There is jersey number 11, Tayo. Pass number 29. Outlet pass, number 25. With the jumper, miss. Number 29, crush. Done. There's number 13. There is a foul, jersey number
25.
foul commit by jersey number 25.
25. Foul down.
Jersey number 25, 5 fouls. 5 fouls, jersey number 25. Two throws, jersey number 18. The first throw is
Isa lang sila. Sila. 7. Pasok?
one for the second throw, jersey number 13. No good again. Ito si Devera, ibabawi. Devera sa ilalim to number 9, 2 points. And the lead down to 7 points. 39-46. Ito si Infante, the lady miss. Out of bounds. Ball possession goes to the east side. There is number 13, Noble. Noble ang atake, nakakuha ng bound. Block down, jersey number 11, Talio.
Third penalty.
Third personal and a penalty situation.
Yung
Score, 7 na lang. Namang nila.
39-46.
Official score is 39-46. 7-point lead para sa team ng Walking.
In-note mo na yung ano. Hindi yung...
Second throw is good, 1 out of 2.
Dito, 40. 46. Ayun na.
Ball stolen. Ball stolen again. Here's number 4, pass to number 6. Jumper miss, and he got number 4, Montadilla. Pass to number 13, out of bounds, but same ball. Ball stolen by number 89. Ito na si Infante. Atake, left-handed Davis. Ball goes to jersey number 9. 4-on-1 situation. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 11, the lead down to 4. 4-point lead for the team of Walking. There's now jersey number 13. 13 number. Third personal.
Fourth.
Official score is 42-46. Apat ang Alabama.
Fourth na yung nabi.
Corrections ng post jersey number 13. Warning 4 foul out. Apat na po. Apat na. Well, with the second one number 11. Good again.
1 minute.
1 minute exactly remaining. There's jersey number 11. Tado. Pass to Infante. Atake. Lagi. Ball goes to number 4. Off the last over again. Devera, the rebound. Passing off the extra pass number 17 on the glass.
Dalawa na lang.
The lead down to 2. 32 seconds remaining with shot clock. 13 seconds. 8 on the shot clock. Jumper miss. Shot clock is off. Players, 18 seconds remaining. Block shot. Out of bounds, ball, same ball position. 15 seconds remaining. The shot clock is off. Number 11, nasa na bola. Deadlock at score. 10 seconds remaining. The shot clock is off, players. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. The shot is good. And the third period official score is 46-48, 2-point lead para sa team ng Walking.
Next game ba? Hazel po. Sino ba next game?
Ano? Si Rigid ng Santa Maria. Pati Purol 1. Ito na yung Purol 1 eh.
Sabi ko, mahal ko ako ng friend. Sagutuan niya ka ba ito kasi?
Magkano mo binenta?
Smuggled na lang natin yung Singapore.
Magkano mo binenta?
100. Magkano bili ko ito? 100. Kaya tayo na.
300 na. 300 na. Wala mo ba ako? Pag 500 mo na yung tawag. Sa'yo yung 50. 150. Ano, bigay ka na sa'yo yung medya?
Pero mo na lang.
Sige.
Ang utak ni Coach Yata
Parang
eh.
naman mag-ano.
Di mo sinabi, dapat kumuha ka na lang ako kay Coach Yata eh. Para sa'yo
There's Mbate, shot clock is 18. Sumagay side, miss. Good back, miss again. Rebound Kusu, number 4. Ball stolen. Ball goes to Buena. One-on-one situation, good defense. Maraming opensa. Deadlock na naman ang talaan. Foul on jersey number 11.
Warning na yun. Ang unti lang pala nadagdag sa score kila tatay, oh. 6 lang kanina.
Jersey Mbate, pass sa Sumagay side. Adams from same ball.
Plans kanina.
16 on the shot clock players. Ball goes in Mbate. Stop and bombs. Miss. Mbate has the rebound. For the putback. Look at it again.
Nasala?
2-on-1 situation. Mbate. 2-1 to jersey number 30. Buena.
Change trade.
18 on the shot clock. There's Sumagay side. Asa na bola? Same ball possession. 9 on the shot clock. Substitution. 9 on the shot clock. Number 29, the jumper miss. Rebound, here's number 2. Pass opportunity, Buena. There's Buena sets a play with 17 seconds shot clock. The jumper is looking, rebound by Talio. There's number 11, crossover move. Pass number 4, Ali pass. Deadlock sa Bibnian ng talan.
Sino nagkana pasa?
There's number 4, Montanilla. Pass to Buena. Ayun lang, tatawabi ng violation din tayo. There's jersey number 0 in contest, sets a play, pass to the corner, number 4, pass to number 0, fires, miss, rebound by Asuncion. Pass to number 4, Montanilla, stopping bombs, miss. Back number 4 off the glass. Low. 2-point lead. 2-point lead para sa Isay. There's Infante, pass to Sumagay side, Atake. Good guys, good. Number 39.
Tama daw.
Dito kuya, dito sa gitna.
Advance timeout para sa Isay. Ball goes to 118.
Sino yung nakasaksan?
Jersey number 11.
Time out.
Hello, warning.
Nagagalit eh, ayaw niyo pumunta.
Warning for foul, jersey number 11. Patay.
Pagka-time out lang dito sa gitna.
Okay, pagka-timeout po tayo, lapit po tayo sa gitna.
Sub.
Third quarter na ba ito?
Substitution din. Yung mga magsasub dyan, lapit po tayo sa gitna para makita ang ating committee. Okay, back to the ball game, players. Official score is deadlock on 52. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Backward violation, turnover. There's jersey number 29, pass number 4. Ginebra, pass to Infante, Riggs, pass number 4. For the teardrop, miss. Ball goes to number 1, Sumagay side to take the lead. Block shot, 10 on the shot clock. Atras number 6 to take the lead. Again, good.
5 sub daw sila. Ayan, sub.
Substitution. Substitution po, substitution. Official score is deadlock on 52. There is Montanilla. Nakawala sa dalawa. Pass number 13. Now one foul. Foul on jersey number 4. Substitution.
Warning tapos second.
Warning na rin for foul.
Jersey number 4 warning for foul out.
Third, team foul.
And third team foul. Very good. Jersey number 13. Block shot ka dyan. Juan Fontanilla. 9 on the shot clock. Miss. Rebound goes to Rivera. Pull back is good. There's Infante. Omigo. Infante. Omigo again. Ball swinging jersey number 4. Fontanilla. Fontanilla pa ng bola. Okay, foul. Pushing down jersey number 1.
1 na.
Sino mag-isa yun? Apat na rin?
Third personal. Jersey number 1.
Tapos third team foul.
5 minutes and 35 seconds remaining.
Ay, partner.
There is Buena. Buena with the crossover move. Ball goes to jersey number 2 was on shot clock 17. Crossover move. That's Team Noble. Then the shoot. 3 seconds violation. Ayun lang ng itlog. Aray mo. Ayun. Eto na si number 6 and Valentine. Nakakuha ng foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. On jersey number 11.
Sige mo. Number 11, fourth quarter. 5 minutes, 11 seconds.
Sarap.
Ilan pa tayo matala?
Dalawa.
Walang rest. FIBA rules. I score 452.
First mystery. Subdivision.
Pwede. Ay ko bayad ko.
Wala mang out eh. Wala mang out. Lumabas lang siya.
Here's number 89. Passing out an open shot. 2 points. Best out. Low. Buena size and move. Negative rebound by Aquino.
All.
Then up sa 54
minutes. 55.
Sa Manisay Negid. Rebound by Sinishon. That's 2. And that's Noble. Open shot for 2. Third Tito. And also Tayo. Set to 3. Pass to 39. Pass to Infante. Step on 3. From the downtown 3. Official score is 56-57. 1 point lead para sa Walking. Balls. Rebound goes to Infante. Hindi walang dalawa. The lace in. That's about points on Raymond Infante. Here's number 13. Chance also shown. That's the burner. Buena. Number 30. Shot clock is 13. Block shot. 8 on the shot clock. There's also John drives past to Buena. Basket for 2. 1 point lead para sa team ng Walking. 14 on the shot clock.
Naulan.
5.
Low.
3 minutes, 18.
Low. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Buena for 2. Miss. Substitution foul on jersey number 30. Buena.
Ilan yan?
Substitution.
Second personal, first team foul.
Jersey number 30. Kunil ang second personal. Si number 30, second personal. Low. Number 4. Miss. Rebound by Asuncion. Ball goes to number 4.
Number. Who's foul?
Foul, jersey number 11.
Number 11.
5 fouls.
Kano? Yan, tayo.
Ay, sila ba ah?
Okay na ba?
Okay. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. With shot clock 20 seconds. Number 9, jumper, miss. Rebound goes to Asuncion. Drives. Negative. Rebound goes to number 9. Ball solid by Sabagay side. There's Sabagay side. Goes to goal. Block shot. Impante for the full back. 2 points. Tatlo ang palaran ng walking team. Number 13, Nable. Pass number 2, Asuncion. Miss. Rebound by jersey number 4. Here's number 4. Drives. 2 points.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Side, dalawa pa.
Dalawa. Sino Paul? Sino po?
Time out. East side.
Rep, Paul.
Foul jersey number 13.
13? Ay, ano na yan? Foul out.
Number 30.
Jersey number 13. 5 fouls ka na, kuya. Kamay mo.
Tapos na natin. Kaya nga.
Dapat di mo tayo mababasa.
Official score is 58-63. 5-point lead.
Penalty? Wala pa.
Tagal na pa yan.
1
1 minute and 59.
Oh.
1 minute and 59 seconds remaining for our quarter period.
Sila.
Lima.
Five.
Lima na lang.
Gino for the down. Doris Infante sets play. Looking for isolation play. Shot clock is 15. Infante put negative. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Ball goes to number 17. Pass to Asuncion. 10 on the shot clock. Number 4, the jumper miss. 12, the shoot. The ladies negative. Looking for the rebound. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining. There is Infante. Ito na si Infante. Pass sa ilalim kay number 6, negative. Rebound goes to Infante. Fade away shot. 2 points. 1 minute extra remaining. Out of bounds, turnover.
Time remaining.
One minute stop remaining time. Ball goes to jersey number 4. To the corner 3. The jumper is good. From the downtown 3. Hello. Official score is 58-68. Sampo ang kalamangan. Ball stolen by jersey number 6. Extra steal by jersey number 2. Nakit. 30 seconds remaining. 15 on shot clock. Foul on jersey 9.
First.
First personal, third team down.
68.
Sila, 10 ulit.
Again, 10-point lead para sa team ng Walking. 24 seconds remaining with 14 shot clock. Foul on jersey number 9 again. Warning for penalty. Second personal, jersey number 9, foul. Foul jersey number 17, penalty.
Dapat di ka pa makalis sa akin.
Low. 14 seconds. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Wala, talagang tumira pa.
Tinira pa talaga ka. Ay, isa ka pa. And ball game, shake hands for the sportsmanship. Congratulations, team of Booking, for winning this game. And our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 0, Rain and Pante.
Sige, inom! Sa akin?
Tatay, tay. Okay, tatay sa jersey.
Kailangan, wait lang.
Ha? Jersey?
Wait lang, wala yung
Ay,
set ko
sakli.
pa eh. Ano ba kanin to?
Ano ba?
Hindi, yung jersey.
Ano ba ba? Ay, ikaw na ba yung nakano?
Ano to? Stop pa ng stop.
Sige na.